Hello kids, for today we will learn topic number patterns. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify patterns for a given number series in ascending and descending order in ones up to tens, hundreds and thousands. Complete various simple number patterns of a given number series in ascending and descending order in ones up to tens, hundreds and thousands. What is number pattern? Actually, a number pattern follows a certain sequence of pattern in a number. They arrange the number in certain sequence or a pattern. So, by a pattern rule, it can help us to build a pattern of a number. For example, this number here is 2, 4, 6. As we can see here, the pattern here is we need to plus 2 and then this one also plus 2. That means the next number here also you need to plus 2. So 6 plus 2 it will be 8. This is the example of a simple number pattern. Okay kids, we move to the example. What is the number pattern below? To know a number pattern, you should identify the order of the number first. Either it is in ascending order or descending order. If it is in ascending order, that means the number is increasing from small to big. And if it is in descending order, that means the number is decreasing from big to small. So, we can see from this example here, look at the first number. The first number is 1200 and the next number is 1205. So as we can see here, the number is getting bigger. That means the number pattern here is increasing. Okay, so after you know it is increasing, you need to know increasing by how many. Okay, so we know increasing means we plus the number, right? So we need to know how many number that we should plus from the previous number to get the number next, the next number. So we can see here 1200 plus 5 will get 1205, and to get 1210 it also need to plus 5. So we can see here the number pattern for this number is increasing in 5 because it is plus 5. Okay kids, we move to the next example. What is the number pattern below? As I said just now, we need to identify either the number is increasing or decreasing. Increasing means it is in ascending order. Decreasing means it is in descending order. So, we look at the first number here. It is 1726 and the next number is 1732. So as we can see here, the number is increasing. The number is increasing. So we already know the number is increasing, but we need to identify by how many the number is increasing. So we can see here in 1000 and 100 place value, the number is the same. Only the changes is here is the number in tens and 1. So that means here, as you can see, from 26 to 32, to 32 to 38, 38 to 44. So we need to identify 26 to 32. Why? How many should we plus to 26 to become 32? So 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. That means from here to here it is plus 6. Okay, and from 32 to 38, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Also, we need to plus 6. That means we know here the number pattern is increasing in sixes. We move to the next example. What is the number pattern below? So we identify first the order of the number. So the first number here is 4170 and the next number is 4160. So as we can see here, the number is decreasing from big to small. That means the number pattern is decreasing. So we already know the number is decreasing. So we need to know how many it decreased. Okay, so from 70, as we can see here in thousand and hundred place value, the number is the same. So we can see the changes here is in the tens place value. So from 70 to 60. Okay, because it is decreasing, we need to minus. So we need to know how many numbers should we minus here. So 70 become 60. So it is minus 10, right? So 60 become 50 also minus 10. 50 become 40 also minus 10. So we can say that the number pattern for this equation is decreasing in tens. Okay kids, we move to the next example. Complete the number pattern. Before we complete any number pattern, we should identify the number pattern first. Okay, teacher already teach you just now how to identify the number pattern, right? Okay, we need to identify either the number is increasing or decreasing. Okay, we look at the first number here. It is 2785 and the next number is 2795. So as we can see here, the number is increasing. Okay, so we already know the number is increasing. We need to know increasing by how many number. Okay, you can see that in thousand and hundred place value, the number is the same. The only changes here is the number in tens. That means from 85 to 95, we know we need to plus 10. That means the number pattern here is increasing in tens. And the next number also you need to plus 10. So 2795 plus 10, it will be 2805. And the next number also you need to plus 10. So the next number will be 2815. Okay, for the next example. Okay, first we also need to identify either the number is increasing or decreasing. So as we can see here, the first number is 1400 and at the end here the number is 1100. So we can see that the number pattern is decreasing from big to small number. So decreasing in how many? Okay, because there is no number in the second box, we move to the number here. 1200 and 1100. So we can see here the changes is in the 100 place value. 100 place value. So from 2 to 1, that means we minus with 200 to 100, we minus with 100, right? So as we can say that the number pattern here is decreasing in hundreds. Okay, that means the next number in the second box also, the first number you need to minus with 100. So the number in second box will be 1300. And the number in the last box also you need to minus with 100. So 1100 minus with 100, it will be 1000. Okay, we move to the next example. Okay, as we can see here, the first number here is 3964 and followed by 3900. As we can see here, the number also this is decreasing from 64 to 60 here, right? So we know the number is decreasing. So decreasing in how many? We need to count 64 to 60 because in 1000 and 100 place value the number is the same. So 64 to 60, 64, 63, 60, 63, 62, 61 and 60. That means we need to minus 4. Then the next number also you need to minus 4. So 3960 you minus with 4, it will be 59, 58, 57, 56. So here is 3956. And the next one also you need to minus 4. So 3956 you minus 4 is 55, 54, 53, 52. So this one will be 3952. And the last one also you need to minus with 4. 52, 51, 50, 49, 48. So this one will be 3948. That's all for our lesson today. So for your task, I need you to do exercise in activity book, page 12. Please submit by today, if possible. If not, please submit before 3rd of March. Thank you.